Good morning.
Good morning, Dan.
Well, we're here. Yesterday we installed this driveway for this fine gentleman here, and just want to take a short video, see what you're thinking.
Well, Dan and his crew were here yesterday. They did an excellent job. I have to say they're like a well-oiled machine, and I'm very pleased. And any recommendations, I really give them 5 stars. You have a good day.
Thank you, sir, and you too. Well, as you can see, it's well compressed, 90% density compaction, nice straight edges, compact, razor sharp edges, and all the way out to the street. When we get out to the street, this is very important, is that you get a diamond blade chop saw, straight edge cut to tie into the street, and it doesn't come apart. Very nice. All right, have a nice day. Another fine job from DNR Paving.